Hey guys, if you like what you're seeing, keep watching this video till the end and I'm gonna teach you exactly how I did it. Alright, in this video you're gonna learn how to get unlimited IMVU credits, but before we start I'm gonna open the game and show you the amount of credits that I have at the moment, and then I will explain every single step that you need to take. So here we are. On my device I have 4,000 credits right now, and I'm gonna add even more and I'm gonna show you how it's done. So for iOS devices, firstly make sure that your orientation is locked just like this. Once you lock orientation, once you have orientation locked, then you need to go back to your main settings, and I'm gonna show you what you need to do next. So go back to settings once the orientation is locked like this, and once you are on your main settings you need to find the general settings tab, and that is down here. So once you find general settings, go to background app refresh and make sure that it's turned on. For me it's on already, but if it's off for you, if it says background app refresh off, then you need to simply tap on it and then tap on Wi-Fi and mobile data to turn it on. So this is all the settings that you need to change on your iOS devices. If you are on Android, now is the time that you should start following this tutorial because the steps are the same on both phones. So the next thing that you need to do on both devices is that you need to open your browser to find IMVU++, which is the extension that gives you the credits. You can either scroll down until you find it, or you can use the search bar. So if you go to the search bar and start typing IMVU, you're gonna see that IMVU++ is gonna show up. So you need to tap on it and then tap on start injection button to basically start injecting the credits on your game. Now for the injection to be successfully completed, you will be redirected in a new window where you need to complete a couple of more steps, which are very well explained over here, and it says that we need to download 2 apps and complete the instructions below their names. So this is what I'm gonna do right now, and I'm gonna start with the first app. In my case, I'm gonna choose the first app from the list, one of the apps here, and it says in the instructions that I need to simply download it, install it, and then sign up for an account. And I'm gonna fast forward this part of the video while I actually do that. Another thing I should mention is that depending on the country watching this video from, and depending on the platform being Android or iOS, you might get different apps to download with different instructions, so don't worry if you don't see the apps that are on my verification window. Alright, so once you're done with the first app, you need to go back to the browser and choose a second app from the list. I'm gonna go on and do that right now, and in my case, I'm gonna choose VPN because in the instructions it says that I need to download it, install it, and then run it for 30 seconds. So let me fast forward this part of the video one more time, and so once you're done with both apps, the last app is the easiest of them all, because the next thing that you need to do is that you need to actually go back to your IMVU game to see if you're gonna get all the credits added. Sometimes it might take a while to load for the first time after you add the credits, so let's just wait together. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm getting all the credits added on my IMVU game. So guys, thanks for watching, have a good day, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.